If you got triggered by this title and you are disgusted of me already because I dared to call you poor, well, you might actually be poor. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. There are people happy with their life. You don't need $1 billion to be happy. You can be truly happy and satisfied with a little amount of money. And if you are that person, I'm so jealous on you. Not everyone is happy with having a lot of money, and that's okay. But since you are here watching this video, I assume you got at least a little triggered by the title, and that might mean that you are not happy about your current situation. And this is a good thing because you have so much to learn and improve in this life. And since you are here now, it means that even though you got triggered, you was able to overcome that and actually seek a way out of your current situation. The mind. Your mind defines you. Your thoughts are the ones that control your life. We see the world through different eyes. Looking at a building, one will think, I will never be able to get a job there. Another will be amazed by it. And another will think how he can build one too. In order to change your situation, you need to change your mindset, to look at the world through different eyes, to take responsibility over your own life and stop blaming others for it. If you keep on blaming others, then you will never change anything about yourself because the others are the problem and not you. But if you start seeing yourself as a problem, you will start changing yourself. A strong body makes the mind strong, and a strong mind makes the body strong. These things go together. You need to be strong overall. You need to start taking care of both your mind and your body. A stronger body will give you confidence, strength, self-esteem, and combined with a strong mind, it will make you unstoppable. As your body needs exercise, so does your mind. Many are afraid to try because of the fear of failing, but look around you and tell me one thing that was invented and made perfect from the first attempt. Show me one guy at the gym who looks great and never did a mistake in his exercises or diet. Nobody is born perfect. We all make mistakes, and this is not a thing to be ashamed of. Do not fear failure because failure is the best teacher. Would you rather live your entire life not trying anything so that you will never make a mistake? Will that satisfy you when you're going to be old and remember that you never did anything in your life for the fear of failure? Do you think the pain of failure will be greater than the regret of never trying? I can tell you, and most likely you can too, that the pain of regret of not doing something is way greater than the pain of failure. Small habits are the ones who define us. You don't become a mechanic for fixing your car once. You become one by constantly fixing cars. The small habits that you do every day are like a book that shows you why you are where you are. If you are someone who eats unhealthy food every day, you might not be very healthy. It doesn't take a degree to figure that out. And it is applicable to your financial situation as well. How many books have you read about how to get rich? How many videos have you watched about it? How many people have you asked about it? How many times have you tried doing something about it? You need to be honest with yourself and look at yourself objectively and not get triggered by someone telling you something, but rather learn from it because maybe they've seen something in you that you haven't. I understand that life can be very hard, but you have an opportunity that no one else had before in history. You have the internet, you are connected to the whole world, and there are so much money in this world. You only need a little bit of fraction of them to be able to never work for money again. You don't need to start from zero. In fact, I'm working on a course right now that will guide you through everything and teach you how you can own 6 different businesses online with zero investment and no paperwork. If it's done by the time you're watching this video, the link will be in the description. Make sure to also watch this video about 4 passive income websites that will start give you some money meanwhile without you working for them.